Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to blur faces in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Wondershare Filmora official website and download the application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Now guys, let's see what we have here. So in the top left corner, we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. And also in the top left corner, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen option. The export option is great because we don't have anything inside. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and blur faces in Filmora. So it is pretty simple. First of all, you need to go and drag and drop from your PC, from your desktop, a video into Filmora, or you can go click on File, Import Media, and click Import Media Files, or click Control I. After that, guys, what you need to do is go and drag and drop the video down here. Now, when we have it here, we can go and work on it. So, for instance, let's say this yellow thing or this blue thing is a face, or this whole thing is a face. How you can actually blur it? You need to go to Effects and type in the search bar, type Mosaic. Now, when you type that, you can go click it, drag and drop it down here, and voila, you have it here. Now we said that this is a face here. We can go just move it like we want. We can click Shift to control it however we want. And now we have the face or whatever blurred. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.